How can I send money to family abroad without high fees? Imagine wanting to help your family overseas but feeling overwhelmed by the high costs of sending money. It can be frustrating to see so much of your hard-earned cash disappear in fees. Luckily, there are ways to send money that save you money and help your loved ones more effectively. First, avoid traditional banks for international transfers. Banks often charge high fees, sometimes nearly 13% of the amount you send. They also tend to offer poor exchange rates, which means your money doesn't go as far. Plus, banks may charge both the sender and the receiver fees, making the transfer even more expensive. Instead, look into online money transfer services. These companies specialize in sending money abroad and usually charge lower fees. For example, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is known for its low fees, sometimes as low as 0.1%. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, which is the real rate you see on currency exchange websites, so you get a fair deal. It is great for larger amounts because the costs stay predictable and the money arrives quickly. Another good option is OFX. It offers fee-free transfers for certain currencies like United States dollars and uses a network of local bank accounts to avoid international wire fees. OFX is especially helpful if you are sending larger sums. Revolut is also popular, especially for smaller, regular transfers. It offers 0 fees on weekday transfers up to a monthly limit, but charges 1% on weekends. Payson charges a fixed fee, usually around $2, and can send money to over 170 countries. Transfers are often real-time or near real-time, so your family gets the money quickly. Services like WorldRemit, Remitly, Western Union, and MoneyGram are also options. They offer fast transfers and options like cash pickup or mobile wallets, but their fees can be slightly higher. They are useful when speed and convenience matter most. To save even more money, compare the exchange rates and fees before you send. Small differences in rates can add up over time. Sending money during weekdays can also help because some services charge extra on weekends. Funding your transfer from a bank account instead of a credit or debit card usually costs less. Sending larger amounts less often can reduce the percentage fee because many services give discounts for bigger transfers. Ask your family if their bank charges receiving fees for international transfers. Some banks deduct fees from the incoming money, so knowing this helps you plan better. For families managing multiple generations or planning big events like quinceañeras, budgeting your remittances is key. Using low-cost options means more money reaches your loved ones, supporting their needs without losing too much to fees. Understanding these options is part of building your financial literacy. It helps immigrant families build credit and plan their finances better. To sum up, avoid traditional banks, choose online transfer services with low fees and good exchange rates, plan your transfers wisely, and consider both sender and receiver costs. This way, you can support your family abroad efficiently and save money along the way.